Hey DIY brides, can you make an elegant wedding centerpiece for around $50? Yes, you absolutely can. Today we're building our budget-friendly winter look with gorgeous, high-impact pieces from eFavormart. We start with our 10-inch round mirror centerpieces. Laying these down first is a classic hack. It makes your entire table look instantly shinier and a bit more luxurious, and makes the overall space look bigger. Next, gather these charming vintage embossed bud vases. You can either space them out or group them together into small clusters. Now for the florals. We're using these amazing Real Touch white rose bouquets. Simply cut or bend the stems down so the rose heads sit beautifully in the small vases. Add a few sprigs of baby's breath for that frosty winter texture, and then finish off the centerpieces with a couple of tea light candles. And you've got an elegant, zero fuss, and easy to replicate across 50 tables. Find the full product list below, give us a like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments what price point we should tackle next.